1. Laser rust removal. The 5mJ laser has higher energy density than 15mJ, making it more effective at removing rust and underlying oxide layers. The 15mJ laser is gentler and slower, often leaving the oxide layer discolored. Oil stain cleaning. Both can remove oil stains, but the 5mJ laser cleans oxide layers faster. After the same cleaning time, the 5mJ delivers a cleaner surface. Three. Aluminum surface cleaning. For coating and dust removal on aluminum, the 15mJ laser leaves a whiter, brighter surface. Its gentler energy causes less surface damage.